The MX2 series motorized test stands offer a wide range of operating modes to accommodate any force measurement application. Operating modes include manual, cycle, force control, and a unique precise increment mode. The stand features an easy-to-use program dial with menu-driven operation. Through the menu interface, the user can program speed, hold timer, number of cycles, and other test settings. Force control operation with the ZTA series force gauges enables holding between the high-low set points as well as the ability to increase to a target force and stop. An optional distance meter can be added to measure displacement. Utilize the optional Force Recorder Professional software and graph force versus distance at 2000 data points per second. This video will demonstrate various test types for the MX2 series. Note that all demonstrations will be compression, but the stand can do all these tests for tension as well. These test types include stop at the travel limit, stop at the programmed force value, maintain force between the high-low set points, precise increment or jog move mode, determine displacement at force, and determine force at displacement. Stop at the travel limit. Adjust the travel limit position. The stand will stop once it reaches the travel limit. Once the limit is reached, the stand will hold for 1 second, configurable. The stand will return to the starting position after reaching the lower travel limit. Stop at the programmed force value. Set the force value. The stand will stop at this value. The test stand will start moving downwards and compress the spring to 10 pounds force, configurable. The stand will hold for 5 seconds, configurable, and then return to the starting position. Maintain force between the high-low set points. Set the high-low set points on the gauge. For this example, the stand will maintain applied force between 4.9 and 5 pounds force for 10 seconds, configurable. Once the hold time is met, the stand will return to the starting position. Precise increment mode. The MX2 series stands feature a unique precise increment mode. Each click of the program dial moves the crosshead a set amount. Utilizing this feature, it's simple to find the force and distance required to activate a switch. We'll also demonstrate the optional Force Recorder Professional software, which can record up to 2000 data points per second. The software is configured to start recording once the gauge contacts the switch. As the switch is pressed, the force will dip, showing where the switch activates. Test results can be further analyzed in the software. Determine displacement at force. Set the high-low set points for the gauge. For this example, the stand will compress the spring to 5 pounds force, configurable. The stand will hold for 5 seconds, configurable. Note the displacement at the target force value, 5 pounds force. After the hold time is completed, the stand will return to the starting position. Determine force at displacement. In manual mode, press and hold either the double or single arrows to start the test. Observe the displacement on the gauge. When close to the desired displacement, switch to precise increment or jog move mode. Use precise increment mode to advance in small increments until the desired displacement, 0.5 inches, is reached. Each click of the dial moves the crosshead approximately 0.0005 inches. For more information on the MX2 motorized test stand, click the link in the description.